Let's talk about a remarkable development in the field of AI, and this is known as Manas. Manas is a general AI agent. Now, this is very different from the AI and the AI chatbots like Gemini, or we can say Grok, Perplexity as some of those. Now, what is the real difference? Manas has been built by a Chinese startup, and this startup is known as Butterfly Effect. Now, this startup actually gave this idea of Manas as an AGI, that is Artificial General Intelligence, which has been displayed under this, and it works on a close human machine collaboration. So, to take an example, for a normal AI, if you give or input an information, it can only provide you information based on that. However, Manas can deliver you suggestions and feedbacks. For example, if I am an employer hiring people, I can submit 10 resumes and it would scan through all the important resumes, and bring out the important highlights from each of the resume. Also, if you further ask them to scrutinize, it can create a spreadsheet based on the key achievements or the key things that you need to take into account. Similarly, taking few other examples for a property search, if you are trying to reside in a specific area, it can talk about safe neighborhoods, it can talk about the existing pricing in the region, the cost of living, the standard of living, the nearby healthcare facilities, the education facilities, the school availabilities in the district. So those are another informations that could be brought in a, let's say, property search it can do, and it can create a spreadsheet where it can bring in all the parameters and a quick analysis, and it can even retain it. Even if you switch off the computer, switch on, it would tell you where you were and what are the findings coming up. Also, it would keep that spreadsheet in mind, and for any future work that you assign to Manas, it can deliver it in a similar way. The similar case goes with another example we can take from stock exchange. So it can actually compare various shares, the historical trends of those shares, and give you suggestions about the possible investment avenues which you can go for. So those are some of the ways through which Manas, which is an AI agent, is different from the other AI applications that we have been focusing about. So this topic becomes extensively important for your upcoming UGC NET paper 1 computers and ICT section. Also, this is a very important topic for those appearing for the upcoming UPSC prelims examination. Developments related to AI, IoT, cyber developments, very important. So just keep an eye on those. We'll be covering many more important topics related to computing, related to ICT with contemporary information. So stay tuned. Highly important, because the changing paper patterns have been showing that recent informations are being asked in the paper. So prepare well, practice well, and of course, if you have any questions or queries, connect below. Thank you.